And we begin first up with the latest that's coming in on the Pilibhit encounter in a major breakthrough against a Pak-sponsored Khalistani Zindabad Force terror module. Punjab Police has now issued a statement saying that a joint operation by UP Police and Punjab Police led to an encounter with 3 members of this module who fired at the police. The terror group was involved in the grenade attacks on police establishments in Gurdaspur. The encounter, as we understand, occurred in the jurisdiction of police station of Puranpur. The investigation has begun. A statement that's now coming in from the Punjab DGP as well, confirming that an encounter broke out with those behind the Gurdaspur grenade blast. The statement issued by the Punjab DGP saying, and I quote, in a major breakthrough against a Pak-sponsored Khalistan Zindabad Force terror module, a joint operation of UP Police and Punjab Police has led to an encounter with 3 module members who fired at the police party. This terror module is involved in grenade attacks at the police establishments in Gurdaspur. Further saying that the injured persons have now been taken to the hospital for treatment while the investigation is in progress to unveil the entire terror module recovery. Meanwhile, 2 AK rifles and 2 Glock pistols have been recovered from the terrorists who've been apprehended. All right, for now, we switch focus to news that you're tracking from Telangana, where hours after 6 accused were arrested by the Hyderabad police for vandalizing Allu Arjun's residence have now been released on bail. So just hours after these vandals pelted stones at the house of actor Allu Arjun, all 6 accused have now been granted bail. This comes after the miscreants attacked the house of actor Allu Arjun as a mark of protest and anger against the actor over the Stampede tragedy in Hyderabad on 4th of December. Let's go across to Aneri. She's joining us live, tracking all those updates very closely. Aneri, bail granted just hours after the 6 accused were apprehended. Talk to us about what do we know about these 6 vandals who we understand are linked to Osmania University.
Well, that's right, Samiksha. What we have been seeing is that the 6 protesters who had staged protest here outside Allu Arjun's residence last evening, where they had brought placards. Also, they tried to enter inside the residence of Allu Arjun and vandalized the flower pots here, and also other things. We'll just try and get you the visuals here of Allu Arjun's residence as we are reporting. But amid all of this, the 6 accused who have been detained by the police officials for staging protest outside Allu Arjun's residence, they were produced before the judge.